Police, drop your weapon!
Stay on the corner, that's off on the other side of the
Police, put the weapon down! Let's move up. Cover as we're moving.
door open straight ahead on the
Where that Jeep is, right?
Yeah, cool. On the north side of the property. I think they're behind it.
Of the Jeep?
He's good. No. Alright, okay.
Hey, take cover behind the Jeep.
See your hand!
Put your hands up!
Police department!
Albuquerque Police! Hey, cover on this. Cover on this.
They're down at the car.
You guys cover.
They're running.
You guys cover on this. Let's go. You guys on me? You guys just cover that. Where? Keep your hands up. Where's he at?
He's right there out the car. He got me slowed down. I don't know how bad he's injured.
Hey,
No, I'm not.
Jake, hey, come here real quick. Pat him down.
Stand up. Stand up. Stand up.
I know.
Did he have a gun? Hey.
Where? Which way? East. That way, the next street over.
Yeah.
And so apparently he went down the next street and went eastbound.
John 335. You need to try to get air support. We got one bleeding. He's bleeding. And he's also armed with gunfire shots. Yeah, follow it. Just keep your eyes up, okay? Because he did.
I'll keep eyes on the brakes down here. The neighbors say he should go up east.
Yeah, we're following his blood. Look, here.
Hey, let me see your
Let me
hands.
see your hands!
Let me see your fucking hands now.
No cuffs.
Put your hands up! Drop it! Drop it!
Don't grab that fucking gun.
Drop it! Drop it!
For that gun.
Shots fired.
No cuffs.
Put your hands up!